how to fix iPhone yellow screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you tired of yellowish tint on your iPhone screen? Then you're in the right place. So, a yellow screen problem can be caused by features like night shift, true tone, and color filters. So, first things first, you'll need to toggle on your night shift. What you can do is swipe down the notification bar from the right, access the control center, and there you'll see the brightness option. Just long press on it. And there you can see that if the night shift is on, you have to tap on it to turn it off. And if true tone is on, then it will also give a warmish color. So you have to tap on it and toggle it off. However, if you can't find it here, then you can also go to your phone settings and then go to display and brightness. And there you can find the true tone option and the night shift option. So you can toggle it on and off from here as well. It's as simple as that to remove the yellow screen on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.